You can hear me, right?
Hello, I can hear you now.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. How's
Okay.
everything?
Yes, everything was going fine. How are you?
Good, good. Okay. So I'll show you what I was planning to do, and you let me know if that's feasible, okay?
Okay. Maybe you can share the screen and let me know what you are looking for.
Yeah. I'm gonna share the screen now. You see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Perfect. So this is one of the reference websites. It's more of a personal website, but in terms of structure and information and the way I want the brand to look, like this is very nice, just as a reference. Okay.
Okay.
And then obviously I want to make the quotation where I can gather and capture the leads, and I want it to follow something like this one. So a button to say get a quote, right?
Okay.
And then this is not necessary. It will just be for term insurance. Okay, just
Okay.
for this product. So here it will say, okay, this page is not necessary. Hold on. So it will just come to something like this, where it asks the gender, the birthday, the smoker, and the postal code.
Okay.
Okay, so here you put name, you put birth date, for example, and then postal code. I'm not smoker. For myself, yes, I'm in Canada. And then this is not necessary.
Okay. So the
Okay.
first step will be look like the same, like the basic info.
Yeah. And then this, I'll tell
Okay.
you what the second step should look like. So here it has two options. I need the calculation, or I know how much I need, right? So
Okay.
I don't want this, but we'll have to put the amount on this one, right? So it can be select how much coverage you want. And instead of putting in a number like this, just to put a sliding bar. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in just 1 second. Here we will not need this, but if you want to add it, it would be good.
Okay.
Okay. It's not necessary, but if you want to add it, it will be good, just so we have more information on the client. So 5'8", 150 pounds, rest all is no. And then it will come to here, unlock your quotes,
Okay.
right? So here it will say unlock your quotes. Um, and then it can be the exact same back page, right? With all of the company brands like this. And then we'll have to put it in. They don't need to log in, by the way. I don't need the login thing. I just need
Okay.
the
So when like users submitted the information, where they will land? They will land it to the homepage.
it will land into a I'll tell you what it would want.
Or maybe a thank you page that you want.
Uh, yeah, so by the way, the amount, I want it to
Okay.
be something like this, right? This
Okay,
bar,
so
just
they
this
can
first
slide
bar
in.
here. Yeah, yeah. And then the coverage term, just 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, same as like this, exact same as this. Um, but the pricing doesn't have to be there.
Okay, so there will be no pricing.
No, no pricing.
Okay, only years. Only there will be years, right? Right?
Only years, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So then they'll think they're getting the pricing, but after clicking there, right, that pop-up will come that I showed you just earlier, where they put in the information, and then this page, this final page should be, we will email you with the quotes. Thank you for providing the information,
Okay.
right? Unless you can generate these quotes, but it's a lot of work and you have to integrate something into it.
Yes, to show something like this, I think there will be some third-party integrations with APIs, like they provide the codes. So I think in your case,
I
as
have that ready. It's this platform here that they use. But this is something that my brokerage uses. I don't have access to it. It's simple, right? Sex, date, smoker, yes or no, term, product, the years, and then monthly, and then continue. So it will just show like this.
okay, so you want that integration on the website or not?
If you can figure out a way to do it, then we can give them the quotes.
Okay,
It
so
would be good.
in that case, you can like send me the URL of this website so I can go over their documentation and see how they provide a system so we can integrate and I can let you know after uh,
No,
getting
so
the documentations of
basically,
them.
these guys use an API from another company called
Uh,
Life Guide. So this is the company that provides the API. And we have to pay for it.
yes, that's right. So if you want to use that software, I think you can get the APIs and I need to look at the documentation and see the possibilities.
Yeah. So I'm thinking, like, instead of paying for it right now, I want the website to generate some leads and sales,
Yeah.
and then we can integrate it afterwards with you.
Yeah, that will be fine.
But I want the process to make it seem like 1 second. One
Yeah,
second.
so yeah, so the example that you show me is called the multi-step application form and
I
I
can't
can
hear
do
you.
it.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, can you try talking?
Yes, now you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, so the application process that you show me is doable, like it's called multi-step form and I can build it as like you show it to me. It's not a problem.
Yeah, so I wanted basically a separate landing page where we collect that information. And for example, Facebook ads will go to that landing page. So people will go in and fill in their information. And then at the same time, also learn about the company, right? So all of these pages, for example. So from here, we can have all of the company logos that we work with, right? I can provide that to you.
Okay,
And then
so
the
in
reviews I can provide to you. We can put this here as well, right? With the ones that I have, for example, on this picture of my profile, the Candidate Choice Award, and then a mix of, something like this, where it says, generate instant life insurance quotes, and then it will be call to action with the reviews, and then how it works, right? Hey, this is how it works. You fill in your information, and then we will email you a quote of all the best insurance prices
okay,
in
so
Canada.
what you mean is basically you need a website at the same time you need a landing page for your maybe for your Facebook ads or maybe Google ads where you will send traffic to the landing page so they can like supply the informations to you, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay,
And then all this content as well. If you can make the design and then leave the content, as a sample, whatever, the lorem ipsum, that random text, I can provide the text to you. This we don't need, like this is too much. And then go to something like this where you have different products, right? So for example, term life insurance, it would go, it's not loading there. So term insurance, it would say here, follow something like this, but I want it to be following a brand called QuoteWise. and I have this domain here, quotewise.ca, that I own.
Okay. So you want to build the website on this domain name, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But I need the whole website. You know what I mean? I need the branding, everything to be really top notch. So then when
Okay.
people go, they're okay with providing that information,
Okay, I understand.
right?
Okay.
I asked a few people as well, but it seems like you understand it the best. So I want to
Mhm.
do it with you.
You know, the funny thing, you send a message, one of my friends, name is Sajjad Hussain. Like
Oh,
I
yeah.
teach him the WordPress design and development things. He's one of my
Uh,
students.
I see. Yeah, like I saw his examples here, what he gave me,
Yeah,
but it's not as good as what I would want it to be. You know what I
yeah, I
mean?
understand.
Where's your project? This insurance repair. You had one example here that I really enjoyed. Oh, not this one. So you saw this one, this website here?
Yes, right.
Yeah, did you make this one?
Yeah, this is the design that I've made.
Yeah, so something like this design in terms of branding would be really
Okay.
nice. Or you can refer to here where I think it's too much. It's kind of ugly, to be honest. But something really professional like that, like what
Okay,
you've done.
so you already sent me two examples, and I think they are nice, but they have so many contents on their website. For that reason, it looks like bit messy. So in your case, I will make the simplified version of it. No issue with it.
Do you have this website that I can see, the full website?
Okay, so this is one of the design that I've made. Maybe I can send you the link as well of that website so you can view it.
Yeah. Yeah, what's the link? I'll check.
So I need to check the portfolios link. Maybe I can send you after this meeting so you can take a look at it.
So, um, yeah, so I think we'll need anywhere between like 6 to 7 pages. This is
Yeah.
good. Um,
Okay. So regarding the pricing, there is one thing exceptional in your requirements, which is the multi-step form that you are requesting. So basically, I need to create a form. Like this is a bit complex form. So for that, I think price will be increased little bit, but not that much.
I mean, it's simple form, right? We're not integrating anything yet. It just needs to pull the information, and then that information, will it pull to a database or
Yes.
dashboard?
So to build your website, I will use WordPress. So when someone submitting the information, it will go to the database, and from your WordPress dashboard, you can see the informations that people submitted, as well as you will get a copy on your email address as well.
Right. And then if,
Yeah.
like, for example, I have people on my team, right?
Yeah.
If I get a lot of leads, um, can I send those people to them?
Can you please repeat it? I think I didn't hear you. Can you please repeat?
Yeah, so let's say I have like 100 people
Okay.
asking for pricing. Obviously, I can't do all of that work, but I have people that I can send it to. Can I send it that way? Or like, is there automatic way to do it, or I have to do it manually?
Okay, so in that case, you can do is basically you can add a user on your website dashboard.
Mm.
There is a way to add user. So where you can add all of your employees, so they have certain access to the dashboard and they can see all the leads and do the work.
Mm. Okay. And then can you, okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'll give you the logo. I have to find the logo.
Okay, so for the content, first of all, I can use the dummy text like Lauren spam, and then you can maybe send me the replaceable text that I can replace for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the logo and the company that
So the
I want to use.
website brand color will be white and black and red.
I'm thinking so, but I think it will look ugly. Like
But your logo has black and red
I
color.
know I can change the logo. I made the
Okay.
logo. I designed it myself, so I can change it. Um,
Okay, so maybe you can change the color and you can send me the color that you want to use on the website. I think like golden will be great.
gold, you said?
I think the light golden color will be look great on the website, as like the example that you see on my profile.
Yeah, on your profile, that example.
I
Yeah,
think
it could look good. It could look good. Let me
yellowish.
you have the color combination for it or not? No, something like this. Or this one black and then this other one. Gold. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's look great, but I think you can slightly change up the yellow color.
What can I change it to?
I think for matching the color, you can search color pair on the Google. So they have color pairing options, like which color goes which one. So you get an idea. Color pair, something like that.
Yeah, black, dark, and yellow.
Yeah.
About this purple. No? I guess this is okay.
Okay, so you can export it and send it to me.
Yes. Okay, so how much do you think it will cost? Because I thought it would be 215.
Okay, so you're seeing the price in Canadian dollars. So let me check it in this price that I know. So that it will be cost like $200, like so because of the form that I need to
Mhm.
create. And for the 7 page, it was like 150. And the total cost will be 200 USD. I think in Canadian dollar, it will be like 250 or something.
200 USD, you said?
Yes.
That's $273 Canadian. That's a lot. Can you do 250 Canadian?
Um,
It's 183. Just 250 flat, it will make it easy. And then once I need to integrate, I'm gonna bring it to you if you can integrate it, if you know.
Okay,
If you're
let's do
able to
it.
do it.
So, okay, let's do it. So after the meeting, I can send you the quote so you can like place an order and we can get started with the order.
Okay. And when you're developing it, you'll do it on WordPress. Am I able to like add pages and things like that if I need to with the same design?
Yeah, so I will use WordPress and you can like add in new pages as well.
Okay. And will it be like easy to edit or do I have to code?
Yeah, so I will use the Elementor page builder, which is very popular if you see all over the world. So it will be very easy, drag and drop. You can like get a lot of resources on the internet as well. You can search and you can also learn if you want.
Okay. So first, and you said it's only 3 revisions or a little bit more because it's a lot of pages. If we
Okay,
can
I
do,
think it's 7 pages, 3 to 5 revisions will be okay. Like after I send you the first draft, you can send all the revisions at once so I can like complete it and we can complete the project in fewer revisions as well.
okay. So first one, obviously you'll have all of the content written as random, like lorem ipsum, like that.
Yes.
Uh, and then you will send that to me. So I make all of the content and
Yes.
then any changes.
Yeah. So you can use like ChatGPT and like rewrite the content by yourself as well.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Now, in terms of the design and style, you understand what I'm trying to aim for, right? And something not, just to clarify, something in between the middle of this and also this one. Hold on. This website is so slow. In the middle of this one and the other one. I also saw something like that one that you had as well,
Okay.
like this. But then there was also one with the website. Hold on. Um, yeah, Nahid Hussein, this guy. Hold on. This Shazad guy is your friend, huh? Where are you based out of, Sartash?
Okay. So we are based in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay. So basically, I think you already sent me 2 examples. I can combine these two and the color. I can use this example that you see on my profile as well as I will match with the logo color. I think it will be great.
yeah, yeah, something like that. But I don't want it to be, overwhelming. Something just very clean looking. Yeah, no, this one is ugly. Um, yeah, also like the pages that we want. Did we discuss that? Did we discuss the pages? So 7 pages. First
Yeah,
will be
so
home.
yeah, so you
Uh,
already send me the pages list. I will create all the pages and you can like send me the arrangement, like which page you want first. I can arrange it easily and swipe it.
yeah, let me confirm again which one. So we have home, about us. So the term life insurance, this is the landing page. Or hold on, no, that's not. This is the quotation landing page, yeah. Term life insurance should look like a little bit like this one, where it talks about the product. And then where's the message? Travel insurance. So for this one, I want it so that they fill in a simple form like first name, last name, phone number, email, and then I can just call them for the quote there. Same thing with actually. Okay, let me confirm this with you, okay? Let
Okay.
me think and confirm it with you, but 7 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah.
Okay, so for different pages, there will be different forms, or there will be only one forms to apply the loan, or
So the
like
landing
you
page, the
mentioned.
quotation
Yeah,
will be one form we just talked about,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
These ones we can just do like a simple, very simple form. First
Okay,
name, last name, email, and phone number. Just get in touch with us. Nothing complicated like the quotation tool.
okay. So which one will be the main page, home page or quotation landing page?
So the home page will be obviously the main page for the company brand,
Yeah,
and then the quotation will be where we lead all of the people from advertising.
okay. So on the quotation landing page, there will be menus on the top, or should I hide all the menus like home, about us, life insurance?
Yeah, keep the menus. Keep the
Okay,
menus. It should just say like, hey, get a quote. Like here, it says
okay,
get a quote. It will be a page, but then the quote will be in the form here like this and nothing else on the bottom.
okay.
Does it make sense or no?
Okay, so this get a quote page, you are saying it, can you please go to the pages on my profile?
Sorry?
Can you please go to my message so I can see the pages?
Yeah.
Yeah. So quotation landing page. So the quote page that you just sent show me on your reference site is the same that you are seeing on the quotation landing page.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Right. And then it will basically like this was the reference, right? Get the instant quote. Something like this, but you can have the menu in the
Okay.
normal website. I think this is
Okay.
an app that they built themselves. So obviously we don't need this. It's just gonna be get term life insurance quote.
Oh, so I think the requirement was clear to me, and maybe we can like finish up the meeting and get started with the project. I have one question left, which is, did you have a hosting or you need to get one?
I bought the domain from GoDaddy, so I
Okay.
need the hosting. I didn't buy the hosting yet.
Okay.
I don't think I bought the hosting. Hold on. Double check. My products. Yeah, this one I have, but there's no hosting that I bought specifically.
Okay, so you can go to one website, which is like nostalgins.com. So where basically we created most of our websites, and you can get a hosting from there. I will send you the link. If you want, you can get it there from as well.
What's the website?
It's called, wait, let me send you on chat.
Hostorigins.com.
You can go to the web hosting tab.
This one?
Yeah, so kind of you can go to the landing page, you go back. Let me show the exactly package that you want. You can go to the web hosting and WordPress hosting. You can get any of the packages, like the single one also work for you as well. Like the basic package, single as well.
Which one do you think is the right
I
one?
think the premium one will be great because where you can like create up to 6 websites. Maybe if you have any website needed in the future, you can also create it. And you don't need to buy another hosting for that.
Okay. I see. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. And question, Sarfraz,
Yeah.
if I wanted to redesign a website with you, for example, I have this one.
Okay.
It's just a car page, very simple, nothing complicated.
Yeah.
Can you do this for cheap?
I think this website was built on Wix, and if you get the
Yeah.
hosting, you can also create this website on WordPress, and I can like redesign it for you. Like maybe I need to check it. Can you please send me the link so I can see how many products that you have on the website?
Yeah, it's only gonna be I still haven't added all the product. It will be 5 products.
Okay, so I think I can create a website like this for 100 USD for you.
Can you do cheaper?
More cheaper, I think 100
It's
USD
very
is
simple. Like
cheaper.
there's nothing complicated about it.
Yeah.
It's like everything is just copy paste.
So you want the exact same design, or maybe I can improve it and make it look good, right?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Right? And then
Okay.
here, like that's it. There's nothing else to it. It's just so I can sell the stuff for people here.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, so let's do it for 80 USD.
Um,
So this is the basic price that I have, like for one page website, if you can see on my profile.
so that's the basic one.
Yeah.
Which one?
So it's not my basic price. So basically Fiverr set this as a base price for this category. For example, for web design category, we cannot set a set less price than this one.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. If you can send me both jobs, then I'll do it.
Okay.
So it will be total hold on, 250. We said 183, right? 183 US dollars. 250 and then plus 80, so 263 US dollars for everything, yeah?
Yeah, so I will send you 2 separate courses. One is for the insurance website and another one is for the e-commerce website that you have on Wix. So you can accept it and we can like do the work.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
And how long will it be done in? The e-commerce website is very easy.
Yeah, so both websites will be done in 7 or 8 days and fully complete. Like in 4 or 5 days, I will send you the first version, and last 3 days will be like revisions and making changes.
Okay, no problem. I'll if you can send me the car one, the e-commerce one quickly, because I have
Yeah,
to launch that one to sell. I'll do that with you, and then The other one, it's okay if it takes a little bit longer, like two weeks, that's
Okay.
fine. No rush. I just want it to be done well, so when we advertise, it will give us good results.
Okay.
Okay. All right, Saktas, thank you. I'll wait for you to send me the quote.
Okay. Have a great day.
All right, take care.
Take care.